PEIPEI Army, are we still bullish on the project? That is what we're gonna find out in this video, because there is a lot of stuff ongoing in the crypto market. Yesterday it was a brutal day, not only for PEIPEI but for everyone. And during these times, there is a big opportunity for everyone to make nice profits, but you need to control your emotions. And why I'm saying this is about maybe this example. I'm an idiot. Why I didn't buy Bitcoin at 49k when the Bitcoin price is at 74k. A lot of people are telling themselves, I need to buy when there is a huge dip. But just like a small percentage of the people are really doing it. And then people asking themselves, hey, lol, I ain't buying that shit when it is really at 49k. Same when Bitcoin was at 70,000. A lot of people are thinking, I am not buying. And yesterday was the great example that history will repeat himself, because what we saw with the PEIPEI chart. The PEIPEI chart reached a market cap of around 46 million. And right after we saw a pullback of 76%. So even if you bought a little bit lower here, you had a nice profit of 40% in only one day, guys. But of course, you need to have metal balls to buy such kind of things when everything is dipping so hard. So what I'm doing myself, I have a special trick for this, and it is called dollar cost average. Yeah, like, I think it's so simple, like dollar cost average. What I did yesterday was, I have as an example $50,000 on the sideline to buy during these dips. But am I buying all in one? So yesterday I didn't buy 50k. No, I just bought for $15,000 into several projects. And why I'm not using all the funds is the reason. Of course, we can expect a pullback, but this doesn't have to mean that this is the end of the dip. I don't know. Nobody knows if this is the end. A lot of things are happening right now in the market. And I think that it is good to dollar cost average during the dips also. I don't want to be greedy. Just buy 15,000 here. Like if you buy only a 15,000 with PEIPEI, you have 50% up. You have a 7.5k profit. And of course, I'm not only buying PEIPEI, but I'm buying other projects also. And if all the projects are doing a 50% pullback to the upside from this dip from yesterday, then it is still 7.5 also if you diversify. So guys, you are probably wondering, hey, how does the chart of PEIPEI look like? And what is going on? Do we need to buy more still, or do we need to worry? I'm gonna explain that to you. And also I want to tell, we reached almost 6,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful for everyone subscribing to the Crypto June channel. So before I answer your question about the chart of PEIPEI, I want to say, guys, thanks for subscribing to the Crypto June channel. We made already 335 videos and we have almost 6,000. So it will be amazing if you can subscribe, and let's push the channel to 6,000 subscribers. And let's get back. Yesterday, there was a buy on the PEIPEI chart of 177 Ethereum. So one dude bought for 177 Ethereum yesterday. What a legend. So also for him, it is just 50% up, or 40% or 30% depending on the price where he bought. But this is the power of buying when others are fearful. And also we can see the transaction here, guys. We can see 88 ETH and at the same time 85 ETH. What a legend again, man. Like I said, and also I want to talk, before I talk about the PEIPEI chart, a little bit about Bitcoin. So what happened yesterday was we saw a huge crash, a huge one. I was going to sleep when it was around 55,000 or something, and it was around, 58,000. And after that, I woke up and I saw 50,000. I think, yesterday it was 58. Is it 60? No, it was 50,000, and we dipped all the way down to 49,000, but it got eaten up like instant. And now we are back at 55,000. Congratulations for everyone who bought the dip. And do I think that we can see a higher rally of Bitcoin? Yes, I think we can see a higher rally. Why? Because I see something similar that also happens during the 2019 crash. We saw during this period, let me zoom in for you, it was around here that we saw a huge crash, the COVID crash of 2019, March 2020. And after that, we saw a huge crash. And what happened after was, this was the start of the bull market. Exactly after a dip of from all the way down from 9.2k all the way down to 3.8k, we saw a dip and it started the bull market. And I think this something similar is happening right now. This is also what we can see. Like, it makes a lot of sense because we didn't saw the same up run in 2021 or 2017. We didn't saw saw like the huge uprun with retail in the market, it is not there yet, guys. Retail is not there. Like, of course, we saw a small uprun, but I think this is more the pre-phase of the real bull run. Also, the Bitcoin dominance is very high right now, so I expect also an altcoin season in the coming months. Right now, I don't know, Bitcoin dominance needs first to be higher, but it is very positive after all for everything. Like, back at 55,000, we completely bought back the dip, so it's amazing. We talked about this already. Also, the M2 money supply update. Tomorrow, the US Treasury starts Treasury buybacks again, $30 billion a month. So this is also nice, more money in circulation for the massive pump. Guys, let's talk about the PEIPEI chart. Like, we can see several levels inside the PEIPEI chart, and we see a broke below or buying zone. I was talking about PEIPEI multiple times. I talked about, hey, I am buying here, I am also buying here, and when we break below, it gives us a new opportunity. We are back above this purple box. It was our support, but also a resistance, but we broke above it. I think we will retest it, and then we are ready for a new uprun. Like, it can make fair sense to go like this, and then this, and then. That's what I'm thinking, guys, if the market continues. But it's also important to keep in mind, like, have always some USDT prepared for this, guys, because we don't know, maybe we see a bigger dip and it makes a lot of sense to get back. Like, it is really possible to maybe retest this area. We saw a huge uprun, people taking profits, people are starting to panic, and the big question is, are you prepared for both scenarios? So are you in the market if it pumps right now, but also do you have cash on the side if we fall back to maybe the 40,000 or even 35 or 43,000? It is very possible to go like this, retest it, and then go up. It is very possible, but we need to be prepared for both scenarios. It's so important. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to join the free Telegram group inside the description. We have 50 free spots for the paid group, so join it now, talk with other people about crypto, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.